nighttime was really good here in parking lot. We got company actually. Other caravan came like I think midnight to stay with us there, and yeah, worked good. Totally silent place, and now we're gonna go swimming, then the vet, and then
Get the hell out of
here. Go near the Norway border so we can cross it tomorrow. The morning routine while living in a van. Ah, great. We are on a wet, so getting the burn treatment here, and then we are almost ready to go across the border. Pulla, don't pee.
Yeah, vet visit went good.
Yeah.
Pulla behaved a little, but he calmed down when he got cheese, so really easy, quick visit.
There.
Little bit of and bunch of Volvos.
And but big, long cars.
Not SUVs, but
Yeah.
farmers.
Farmari.
We said the farmer car.
Farmer car. I don't know if it's the right
Term.
term.
Everybody has them in the
Yes.
Scandinavia, like small car with the big booty, like these. Look, really awesome. This tunnel, when it goes underneath the sea, there's ceiling that is lighted
Yeah.
blue color.
Yeah, we are just driving through Göteborg back to the place that we were in. So now we're gonna go towards Norway.
Whoa, I'm in tortilla heaven. We got so much stuff, it's ridiculous. Cheap price from Sweden. Here is a lot of forest, even 10,000 times more.
That is Germany and the Schwarzwald.
Yeah.
Yes, but we are in Sweden. This is really nice. Thousands of lakes everywhere. We have seen like hundreds when we have driven here, and there's always some swimming place, and beside the swimming place there's usually
Parking lot and picnic tables and everything.
if there is not, then there's always a boat ramp on the larger lakes, and you can fit even a caravan or whatever you are driving there and spend the night. Nobody cares.
Nobody cares.
I think we're gonna take the dogs out now and then enjoy evening and
Swedish Friday fun.
yeah, sunset that goes down. Yay! Yes. Nordic nature, Nordic. I don't know. Beauty and calmness that you can get when coming here. Lakes are really beautiful in any part of the Scandinavia. Wow. Really nice place to spend the night. We were last night on that road because here was some Norwegian and Danish people, I think 8 here, so we didn't fit here on the beach, but the second day we fit like a charm. Pretty nice place.
Yeah, gorgeous, stunning place. All for us.
No one else here.
Yeah, I can watch fire and also the lake. It's pretty good.
Yeah. This is our lunch today, so veggies inside foil, ratatouille and some cream cheese, and then we have this grilled cheese, which is basically some kind of feta or halloum. Really good food.
A new hair.
A new hair. And newborn cheeses and maybe something even. Last time Sarah cut my hair, it was
The model called Dimitri.
Dimitri. It was just like from the Russian walkway when you go there. You can see the Dimitri cut. Yes, we're gonna continue eating here and enjoying and ihana.
Cheese! I'm not going to film my food because I'm hungry and I already ate it. Nice to be here.
Hello again. Goats are funny. What do you think? Are you funny?